In this video, we're going to show you to install the trunk lift supports on your INFINITI G37 X located underneath the trunk lid. We're going to start at the top of our lift support. We're going to use our pocket screwdriver, and right here there's a metal clip and you can see a little notch. You're going to go underneath here and pry this clip out. Just like so. And once this is out, you can go ahead and pull this lift support off of the ball stud. We're going to do the same at the opposite end. Pry that clip out. And then slide this off. Then you want to go ahead and inspect the ball studs here. If you want, you can put a thin coat of grease on there if you want. Ours is pretty clean. We're going to go ahead and skip that greasing part. Go ahead and take the new component. Just line up the socket with the ball stud and pull that on. You're going to feel it in here, it snap into place. Give it a little wiggle, make sure it's locked in firm. And do the same thing on the top side. Go ahead and adjust that trunk lid a little bit. Line that up and push it on. Give it a little wiggle. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.